Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make roasted Brussels sprouts. Taking a 2-pound bag of Brussels sprouts and cut them in half and cut the ends off. I'm going to add a little bit of oil, salt and pepper, put the lid on, give it a good shake. Have my hopper sheet on my cookie sheet, which makes cleanup a breeze. Pour them on the sheet pan, spread them out. They go in a 350 oven. They go in a 400 oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Okay, the oven's warm. Put them in the middle. Set the timer for 35 minutes.